Kids, we are still out at sea tonight. Look at that.
And shit, check, almost 8.
So we're waiting for the water to come up a little bit because it's still low tide. And look at what we got, or more like Papa got. I don't know where the big ones are. Nasa naman dagko.
Oh, hindi nyo, kita ko dun.
So anyway, we got some fish. We'll show you later some of the big ones. And look, the cowrie shell or something on it. Buwaw. Bulalo. And then swaki. Not much. That's good. It's just Kabibi that's eating. Pantambal sa ulit pag swaki. Okay. Si Junjun nagkaon. Happy daw ako, Junjun.